bird on a tree.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to share with you some ways that I use to make my house smell like fall that I will be using this year. So if you're interested in finding out my ideas, go ahead and keep on watching.
The world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We're meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
So the first idea is to try a simmer pot. So I'm going to be starting off with some oranges, some apples, some lemon, and I'm also going to be adding some cloves and some cinnamon to this. And I'm basically going to be slicing everything up and adding it to a big pot of water and letting it simmer. I saw this idea on Pinterest and I decided to give it a shot, and it actually worked out really well. I was kind of skeptical that it would make the house smell good, but it pretty much smells like very sweet and citrusy and a little spicy, and so I really enjoyed having that simmering downstairs. So I had to use my left hand because my daughter wanted to see what I was doing, and she was right there at the counter, and I'm not left-handed, so needless to say this was pretty challenging for me to do. And so I'm just cutting off some apples and the rest of the fruit. This is a great idea if you have some fruit that's starting to not be as fresh and starting to go bad a little bit and you want to not toss it. And so this is perfect for this. You can also add some vanilla to this if you want an even sweeter smell, and just whatever spices that you enjoy smelling, whether it be pumpkin spice or some ginger or nutmeg or anything that just kind of smells like the holidays. And for those of you who are new here, welcome to my channel. Hi, my name is Lisa, and if you enjoy home decor, DIY, organization, and anything else lifestyle and home related, go ahead and click that subscribe button, click the little bell next to it so you don't miss another upload from me. So another way that you can help your house smell like fall is kind of an obvious one by using a fall scented candle. I have been using this pumpkin rum candle that I got at Homegoods, and it just smells divine. Absolutely love it. When I have it on, it just takes over the entire house and it just puts me into that fall mood, even though it's still 80 something degrees out here, but it just helps the house smell so good. And so that's a really great way to help your house smell like fall, especially after you've cleaned your house and you just want your house to smell really nice and welcoming. It's a great way to do that. So getting a fall scented candle is an awesome way to make your house smell like fall. The next idea is to enjoy some diffusing essential oils. Right now I got this whole little pack of fall scented essential oils from Amazon, and I will definitely link it for you guys if you're interested. And it has scents like, you know, pumpkin and cinnamon, what else? Harvest spice. It has some really nice smells, and I've been really enjoying the harvest spice smell. And so I pretty much just will run it in my diffuser and have it running for until the water runs out. And this diffuser is in my office, which is right by the front door. So when you walk through the doors, it's just a really nice smell to welcome you. The last idea that I have for you guys is to make these little air fresheners by using mason jars and filling them up with some baking soda and sprinkling some essential oils into them. You want to get the mason jars where the top can be removed, so that way you can put a different cover where the essential oils will be able to get into the air. Once you've added your baking soda, you want to give it a nice little shake and get those essential oils going. So what I decided to do was to use some paper to replace the metal cover of the mason jar. You can also use some fabric for this. It will be a great way to help the essential oils diffuse into the air. And all I do was trace it with the top and just replace that top with the paper. Next, I just poked some holes through them and allowed for the baking soda and for the essential oils to be able to get out. So I'm using my X-Acto knife to make some holes. This is for an area where people can actually spill this so that the baking soda doesn't escape, but you can use a hole puncher to make some little circles if you're going to put it in a closet or somewhere where it won't be likely to fall. And then you can decorate your little mason jar. Here I'm just adding a little brooch from Totally Dazzled and a ribbon. Those are super cute and they will go perfectly in a small bedroom, in a closet, or anywhere you want to add a little air freshener and a little touch of fall. And you can decorate them however you would like. You can use fabric, you can use different type of paper. I added some flowers to some of them, a brooch, some ribbon. It's really up to you. Your imagination will just take you anywhere. You can put some fall leaves and just make a whole vignette with them. It's perfect. And there you have it, you guys. These are all my ideas and how I'm going to be making my house smell like fall this season. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new and share this video with your friends and family to give them some ideas to make their house smell like fall. And I thank you guys so much for watching. I will talk to you in my next video. God bless and bye-bye.